In today's video, we are going to compare the Nord 3 against the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5. With the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G already released, it wins a point here. Both phones have the same thickness, but the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G is lighter, so it wins here. The Nord 3 has unspecified front glass protection and an IP rating, so the Nord wins. Both almost have the same display size, but the Nord 3 has a brighter display, so it wins. The Nord 3 wins because it has a higher display resolution and a display protection. Both phones run on Android 13, so it is a tie. The Nord 3 obviously has the better chipset, so the Nord 3 wins. The Nord 3 has a bigger RAM, but the Realme 11 Pro Plus has a bigger storage. It will be a draw. The Realme 11 Pro Plus wins here because it has a higher camera resolution. Also, the Realme 11 Pro Plus can record a slower slow-mo video, so it wins again. The Realme 11 Pro Plus has a higher front camera resolution, so it wins here. Both phones have similar features, so it will be a tie. Both phones also have the same sensors, so it will be a tie again. Both phones have the same battery capacity, but the Realme 11 Pro Plus charges faster, so it wins. The Realme 11 Pro Plus wins here because it offers more colors. The Realme 11 Pro Plus wins because it is cheaper. Also, it is available in bigger storage in some regions. These are the pros and cons of each phones. So, which phone is better if you are focused on the cameras? I prefer the Realme 11 Pro Plus. However, if you have the budget and you are on the performance more, the OnePlus Nord 3 is what is right for you. So this is where the video ends. I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more contents.